Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Kimide. In this video, I want to take you through how to solve the problem of 3D effects and emboss when it's giving you break results. Now, let's go straight to the class. Let's go straight to work. Here is our picture lab, and we have our default page here. I will firstly go and change my background color to white, as I always do. Then let me go and change this text color to, let me choose this purple, and let me go and change the font so as to get what I want to get very well. Now, so here is the font I want to use. As I said earlier, that I just want to show you how you can solve the problem of emboss and 3D text or 3D effect when it's giving you a break result. At times you might be lucky that after you work finish and you download it, it will still come out exactly what you worked with, what you get on your pixellab. But most times when you download, when it is already perfect here and you download and you get to your gallery, it will break. Firstly, let me go to 3D text. Same thing applies to both. Can you see? As I enable the 3D text, it breaks. While it's supposed to be perfect like this, let me rotate this for you to see what actually I'm talking about. Can you see? But can you see it has break now? As I'm dragging it is getting worse. As I'm dragging it is getting worse. So you can actually get your results by dragging like this. Can you see it is very perfect now? But what if you want to use a particular size and still yet the size you want is not giving you what you want? You can see it is perfect now. But mostly you will get this issue of something like this. Same thing applies when you enable emboss on your image on text. Now let's go to solution. But let me quickly tell you that this solution I want to show you, always make sure before you apply this solution, make sure you are done with your design, you are done with the alignment, you are done with everything on your design, because as soon as you apply this method, you won't be able to edit the design you use 3D effect for or emboss for. You won't be able to edit it anymore. If you try to edit it, you will still come back to this level again. So always make sure you are done with your design. So just apply the method and download straight. Now, so when you have issue like this, all you just need to do is come to this place, get an image. So when you get an image, just keep your image, slide it to anywhere and keep it, then click on mark. Now you come to this place where we used to mark. You can see we have the shape here, but it's not showing on the screen. I'll keep it to one corner. Now just click on merge both together, merge them together and see the effect. It is still not working. So when you get that it's still not working, click on this place. If it's still not working, click on this place, click on it to separate it back. After separating it back, come back here, decrease the image or text or increase it, then come back and merge again. Now it works perfectly now. So once you merge together and it gives you the perfect result, you are good to go. You can actually decrease and increase anyhow and it will not affect it, it will not break it again. Can you see? It will not break it again because you have merged the text or the image with another image, or let me say shape. Same thing applies to emboss. Let me quickly go and emboss it now and see it will break everything. The reason why I said you should make sure you are done with your design before you apply this method. Now, you know I've got it right now. Immediately I enable the emboss now, it will break everything. Just see. As you can see, it will break everything because I'm not done with it. But when I get it right here now, I will still go and do the same thing I did with the 3D text. with this emboss too. Now let me just do this. So if you keep dragging, you can say I drag now and it's make it perfect. But even as it is perfect like this, if you download it, you might end up getting to your gallery and see it crashed. So in order to be saved of all that, just drag it, go and get another shape as I did earlier, keep it, sorry, keep the shape somewhere, then come to merge here to merge both together and see the result. Now I merge it together and it give me a very nice result. So no matter how increase or decrease you do now, it will not affect the outcome again. Can you see? But don't forget to always make sure you are done with your designing before you apply this method, because if you apply this method and you still want to adjust maybe the 3D effect or the emboss again, it will take you back to the previous level. Can you see now? Let me emboss it again and give you. Can you see? So always make sure you are done with your design before applying this method, and just apply this method and download your design on a saver side. So thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Meet you in another video. Bye for now.